So as you can see, this is a little bit different from most of my other videos, but I wanted to quickly make this video for you because I have a bunch of really important updates and I want to share with you some really powerful tools that you can start using now to manifest your goals even before the new year. Because believe it or not, we're already halfway through December and the new year is only a few weeks away. So let me quickly share some updates with you, and I also want to get to those tools so that you can start using them now to really amplify and maximize your results even before we go into 2024. So the first update that I want to share with you is actually about next week. So get ready, keep your eyes open, be ready for the email if you're on my email list, because when I send this new subliminal out that I've created next week, you are going to want to start using it as soon as possible and as often as possible. So keep an eye out for that coming next week. And then the other update that I want to share with you is if you haven't already started that 30-day challenge, the meditation challenge that I talked about a few videos back, or if you aren't yet a member of the Rewire, now is still a really great time to start that. So you can either do a 30-day meditation challenge, or you can join the Rewire, which is a 31-day manifesting acceleration experience. And this program, I think, is one of the most comprehensive programs that you can use, and the results people are experiencing have been incredible. And a question I've been getting a lot about that actually is, well, if I join now, won't I be behind for the new year? Whether you start that 30-day meditation practice or if you start the Rewire. And the truth is, no. You can really start it at any time. I thought it would be fun to start before the new year, but that's not required. Trust that whenever you start either one, you are at the perfect time for yourself. So don't worry about when you're starting. To make it easier, I'm actually going to put a link up here and down below to the video where I talk about the 30-day challenge so you can kind of understand that deeper. And I also talk about the Rewire there, but everything will also be linked down below. But inside of the Rewire, I basically give you an audio training each day for 31 days, as well as an affirmation and a journal prompt to use. And it all builds on each other very strategically so that by the end of the 31 days, I can almost guarantee you won't even be the same person. You will have been at such a new level of receiving like you've never experienced before. Inside the group, people have been having such amazing transformations. Like, I don't think I've ever been so excited about a program that I've released. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do yourself a favor because the price is actually set to go up after the new year. And if you're already doing that meditation challenge that I talked about, or if you're a member of the Rewire, go ahead and leave your comments below of what your experience has been so far, what's coming up for you, what's manifested. Share what's going on for you so that everybody knows kind of what to expect. Now, let's quickly get into the tools that I want to share with you that you could start using right now, even before the new year. And the first one I want to talk about is actually one of my favorites. I shared about this, I think, a few weeks ago, but if you haven't already tried the Holiday Miracle Meditation, go ahead and do yourself a favor and try it out. I'm going to link it up here and down below, but this meditation is probably one of the most beautiful, magical, ambient, feel-good meditations that I've ever released on my channel. And there's a lot of really powerful kind of hidden gems of manifesting tools in there. There's visualizations, there's affirmations, there's a lot of energy work and emotional connection. So go ahead and use that. And the next tool that I want to share with you is actually my money series playlist. If you haven't gone through this, it's actually some of my best money trainings, my best money meditations, filled with so many tools and resources to not only help you manifest money, but also get you into a really powerful energetic state of ease around money, ease around spending, ease around receiving. There are so many amazing resources in there. And I know that during the holiday season, there's so much emphasis kind of placed on money that if this has been something that's on your mind or in your heart or even just like weighing heavy on you, this is going to kind of take that weight off and give you a breath of fresh air and just provide a lot of clarity. And also, if you haven't downloaded my money workbook, I'm going to leave a link down below to that too. That's going to help you get clear on your resistance around money so that you can get through it and clear it quickly. And like I mentioned, I have something really exciting coming next week, a brand new subliminal. I don't want to ruin the surprise, so just keep an eye out for it. Be on the lookout for it. You're going to want to start using it as soon as possible and as often as possible. And remember, as we go through this holiday season, I know it can feel like a lot, it can feel like chaos, but it can also be magical. And I think the thing that I love about it most is There's just such a great sense of kindness, humanity, generosity. It's just really a beautiful time if you take the time to look around all around you. And earlier when I was driving in the car, I was listening to one of those like Christmassy radio stations when all of a sudden one of the verses actually kind of caught my ear, and I kind of got chills and felt like I had to share this with you. But the verse was, "The thrill of hope, a weary world rejoices." And I think that really sums up this time of year where after a heavy year, after everything that's been going on the last year or the last couple years, during the holiday season, there's that kind of thrill of hope. So what a great reminder as we go through the holiday season to pay it forward, spread kindness, spread cheer, spread hope, and I will see you next week.